Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to either disable or enable Minimap on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now let's scroll all the way down until we see system and then go to accessibility. And here, as you guys can see, we cannot change the minimap unless we turn on the magnification. So now we can disable it. And as you guys can see, it only works when the magnification is turned on. So we can disable it or enable it by clicking either left or right arrow on our TV remote. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.